Hello students, today we are going to learn about subtraction, multiplication and division of rational numbers. So you can see here that it is 5 by 7 minus bracket minus 2 by 14. So as you have learned in chapter fractions, similarly we will here subtract both of these rational numbers by first of all taking out LCM and making their denominators same. So here you can see the denominator is 7 and 14. So LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. Now you have to multiply 7 by 2, so it can become 14. So numerator will also be multiplied by 2. So 5 2s are 10. Now you have learnt in integers that when there is minus sign before bracket and inside bracket there is also minus sign, then minus minus become plus. Here you can see denominator is 14, so no changes is required. Numerator will be as it is. So 10 plus 2 will be 12 by 14. Now you can cancel both numerator and denominator. So numerator will become 2 6 are 12, denominator will be 2 7 are 14. So answer will be 6 by 7. Now here we are going to multiply two rational numbers. The first one is minus 2 by 9 and the second one is minus 18. So you can write it like this. Minus 2 by 9 will be minus 2 by 9. This minus 18 can be written as minus 18 by 1. Okay. Now this 9 and 18 will be cancelled out, so you can cancel 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Now the numerator, here you can see it is minus 2, here it is also minus 2. So we will multiply minus 2 and minus 2. So you have learnt in integers how to multiply when there is two negative sign integers. So you can multiply like this. Minus 2 into minus 2 will be positive 4 and denominator will be 1. You can write denominator 1 or you can simply write it as 4. So answer will be 4. As you have learnt in fractions how to divide, similarly you can see here that you have to divide minus 4 by 8 and there is sign of division 2 by 5. So you know that the second fraction, that is 2 by 5, here the integer is 2 by 5, so we will reciprocal it. So it will become minus 4 by 8 into 5 by 2. Why do we reciprocal this 2 by 5? You know that division is reciprocal of multiplication. So we change the sign of this division into multiplication and reciprocal the second term. You should remember that we reciprocal the second term. Now you can see whether numerator and denominator are cancelling out or not. So it is 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4, that is minus 2 here because there is negative sign. Similarly you can cancel out it as 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now this is minus 1 into 5, so numerator will become minus 5 and denominator will become 4 into 1, that is 4. So this is how we subtract, multiply and divide any two rational numbers.